Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. This is your subject teacher of science from Alpium Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, today I am here again with exercises of chapter number 4 wild animals from your textbook. So my dear students, in our previous video we had discussed about some exercises of this chapter. Today I am going to tell you how to write the answer of question number E. Answer the following questions that is given in your book, page number 44. So today I am going to discuss about how to write the answer of question in your notebook. Students, first of all, take out your notebook and then out your pencil box. First of all, you have to mention the date, chapter number 4, the name of the chapter, wild animals. Then you have to mention question number E, answer the following questions. After this, you have to write the question number 1, that is, what are wild animals? Give 3 examples. So students, in this question, what we have to do? First of all, we have to write the definition of wild animals. Then we have to give 3 examples of wild animals. So then you have to mention answer, that is, animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Example: tiger, giraffe, elephant. So students, you have to write like this in your notebook. Second, name 3 places where animals live. So students, do you know the 3 places where animals live? Yes, land, trees and water. You have to write this answer after the question. After this, you have to mention question number 3. With the help of one example each, name the different eating habits of animals. So students, here you have to write the different eating habits of animal by the help of one example. Students, first of all, you have to write different eating habits of animal. Then serial number 1, plant eating. So students, example of plant eating animal, deer and zebra. So students, in this question, there you have to only write one example, but here I wrote a 2 example to clear you more about these eating habits of animals. Second one, flesh eating, lion and tiger. Third, flesh of dead animals, vulture and jackal. So you have to write like this in your notebook. Now, question number 4, name any 2 animals that swallow small animals. So students, snake and kingfisher are the animals that swallow small animals. So you have to write only snake and kingfisher. Now question number 5, how do some animals help to keep the earth clean? So students, by eating leftover food and flesh of dead animals, they help to keep the earth clean. So this was a question answer from this chapter. You have to complete this in your notebook and you have to learn the answer of this question. Now let's observe. Students, open page number 45 in your textbook. Here activity based on this chapter is given. Let's discuss about them. First one, join the dots to complete the picture of the giraffe on the right and then color it. Observe how long the neck of giraffe is. How do you think it helps the giraffe? So students, here first of all you have to join the dot to complete the picture of giraffe. Then students, you have to observe how long the neck of the giraffe is. So students, you know very well the neck of giraffe is very long. So students, do you know how do the long neck of the giraffe help them? Yes, long neck of giraffe helps them to eat the leaves of plants. Okay, that is shown in this picture. So you have to color the dots to form a giraffe. Then you have to also color this giraffe. Now next one, join the dots and observe the picture on the left. Answer the questions that follow. So students, at left you have to join the dots and you have to observe which animal you get after joining the dots and after coloring. Then you have to answer the question. So first question is, name the animal you get. So students, when you color or draw or join this animal, you will get kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Name the food it eats. So students, the food eaten by kingfisher, fish. So you have to write here fish. Eat blank its food. So students, do you know kingfisher swallows or chew its food? Yes, kingfisher swallows its food. Okay. So you have to join the dots to make giraffe and kingfisher. Then you have to color also. Now let's connect. The word deer contains double E, whereas the word giraffe contains double F. Now write at least 4 more words with double E and double F. So students, in the word deer contains double E and the word giraffe contains double F. So like this you have to write at least 4 more words with double E and double F letters. Okay. So first one, words with double E. So students, words that contain double E are green, sheep, deep, zip. Second, words with double F. Now students, here you have to write the words that contains double F like giraffe. So here the 4 words that contains double F are different, difficult, affect and sufficient. So students, you have to fill this in your book. You can also find more words with double E or double F letters, but in this activity you have to write only 4 words contains with double E and double F. Now the explanation of exercises of this chapter is completed. Now I hope you understood all the exercises very well by the help of this video. Now you have to complete these exercises in your book as well as in your notebook, and you have to learn all the exercises from this chapter. Assignment from this chapter is, from the internet, collect picture of postal stamps based on animals. Now choose an animal to create your own stamp by drawing the animals and its food on the stamp. Okay. So in our next video we will discuss about new chapter from this textbook. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you students. Bye and take care.